Ever wondered how Raiz Chess, with its sleek design and innovative features, manages to stay ahead of the curve? Is it all organic growth, or is there a secret sauce behind the scenes? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Raiz Chess sponsorships, uncovering the truth behind the brand's success. Raiz Chess, with its intuitive interface and engaging learning tools, has quickly become a favorite among chess enthusiasts of all levels. But how does a company like this continue to innovate and deliver such a high-quality product? The answer, in part, may lie in sponsorships. Sponsorships are a common practice in the chess world. From major tournaments and grandmasters to rising stars and online platforms, the influence of sponsors can be significant. These partnerships can provide crucial funding for events, research, and development, ultimately fueling the growth of the chess ecosystem. So, is Raiz Chess sponsored? While the company doesn't openly disclose all its partnerships, there are several clues that suggest the involvement of sponsors. Firstly, the high-quality production values of the Raiz Chess app and marketing materials suggest a level of investment that may not be solely reliant on organic revenue. Secondly, the company's frequent updates and new feature releases point towards ongoing development efforts, which likely require substantial financial backing. Furthermore, Raiz Chess actively engages with the chess community through sponsorships of tournaments, online events, and educational initiatives. These partnerships not only enhance the brand's visibility but also demonstrate a commitment to supporting the growth of the chess world. While the exact nature and extent of Raiz Chess sponsorships may remain undisclosed, it's clear that partnerships play a crucial role in the company's success. These collaborations enable Raiz Chess to continue pushing the boundaries of chess technology, delivering an exceptional user experience, and fostering a thriving chess community. Ultimately, whether or not Raiz Chess is sponsored, the company's commitment to innovation and excellence is undeniable. Through a combination of organic growth and strategic partnerships, Raiz Chess continues to redefine the way we learn, play, and experience the game of chess. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.